Testing 1, 2, 3. This is my shit. I'll make you stop and stare, make you wanna go to warfare. I'll awaken things in you, things you thought you never would do. Baby, am I too much for ya? Am I getting on your nerves? Am I too crazy? Why are you hating? Am I too fabulous? Baby, am I too much for ya? Am I getting on your nerves? Am I too crazy? Why are you hating?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a really special guest with me. This is ARMAND JOUBERT. He is an incredible musician here in South Africa and now internationally as well. I am so incredibly honored and just so excited that you're even here today. This is the first time that we meet.
I'm so excited.
We're both
nervous.
Yeah, both super nervous.
Yeah.
But I'm so incredibly excited to have you here today. You have no idea.
Well.
But yeah, for those of you guys who don't know, ARMAND is a musician. He just released his new album Flamboyant in South Africa and internationally. So yeah, if you guys haven't heard it yet, definitely go and give it a listen.
Streamer.
Yes! I have listened to the entire album and I'm absolutely obsessed.
Thank you.
So yeah, you guys should definitely go and have a look and follow ARMAND on Instagram and YouTube and all the socials. We will be sure to put that here somewhere at the bottom of the video. Today, we are going to be doing a makeup look on DJ inspired by his new cover art for Flamboyant. Yes!
So excited. And if you have any makeup skills, we want to challenge you to do the challenge as well.
Yes,
do
of
something
course.
flamboyant.
I'm super excited. Like, I can't wait to get started. Let's get straight into it.
On your canvas.
Yes!
Am I getting on your nerves? Am I too crazy? Why are you hating? Am I too fabulous?
Who's that boy invited to the party? Who we just wanna know? Who's that boy? So weird yet so enticing. Who we just wanna know? That boy, we think he might be royal. Who we just wanna know? That boy is what we've been looking for.
Fancy. I feel like I need...
I'm so fancy. I think they're lucky too. We're not.
I lucky cricket.
Hi babe, how are you? Now I'm just looking at the crystal shop, babe. Do you mind getting some shampoos, darling? I need to get a crystal for this energy, babe.
Am I too much for ya? Am I getting on your nerves? Am I too crazy? Why are you?
So where's your hoop earring today?
Oh, I should have brought it.
You should have. I was like, I'm so excited to see that hoop earring.
God,
It's iconic.
it's so big.
It's so big.
Like
It's
sometimes I can't even move. That's how big it is. Splashy, splashy fun. Where is that from? Courage the Cowardly Dog. Yeah, I love that. That's my favorite cartoon.
I love it too. Oh my god.
You don't get this every day, guys.
Okay.
How long have you and your Beyonce? Your boyfriend?
You and your fiance.
How long have you and your boyfriend been together? Babes, how long have you and Beyonce been together?
Say it one more. I'ma give you some more. Shake it so hard to the core, and I will be keeping you all guessing. Baby, am I too much for ya? Am I getting on your nerves? Am I too crazy? Why are you hating? Am I too fabulous? Baby, am I too much for ya? Am I getting on your nerves? Am I too crazy? Why are you hating? Am I too fabulous?
Who's that boy invited to the party? Who we just wanna know? Who's that boy?
Well, that was amazing. My favorite part was when I got to splash the paint on your face.
That was so much fun.
That was honestly...
It felt like someone, like a unicorn on you. But it was a great experience.
You looked like rock star. You really do.
I don't
Like,
even want to be serious or like smiling anymore. I just feel like I'm totally like, just imagine me driving around now to home. Hey y'all.
hey
How you
y'all,
doing?
it's just me, AJ. I feel like this look is like literally, if I were to imagine Flamboyant as a person, this is it.
That's
And
a vibe.
yeah, I don't know. I love the album so much, and I love
Thank
this
you.
look.
I
this
feel it like it represents the album so much because it's got
Yeah.
that glam but also that darkness.
Yeah, that's like
to it.
edginess to
Yeah,
it.
I love it. Thank you.
I
You're
think we nailed it.
Oh, so freaking amazing. How'd I look?
Aw.
10 out of 10.
But yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys.
Yes.
It's been absolutely amazing working with you and
And
just
you
like
too.
collaborating. It's been so
And we're
amazing.
friends now.
We're friends now. It's
We're friends.
official.
We're gonna do eat like nice
Yeah.
dinners.
Yay!
Please share and comment and let us know what you think. And also, if you want to do something cool, show us.
Good.
Hashtag Flamboyant and share your Flamboyant challenge. Like, look with us. That would be amazing.
That's what we want. Thank you so much, AJ.
Thank you.
Thanks, guys.